What's going on, everybody? So today is New Year's Eve, and I want to wish you guys all Happy New Year. And I'm trying to get some stuff done at the store real quick, and I'm gonna head to the house and get something done for you guys that I came across on the internet that was pretty cool. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. This is day 2. I went ahead and came back here, raised the back another inch from 2 inches to 3 inches now. I'm gonna try that because I do got the lower control arms that drop at 2 inches, and plus it did take a big difference out of the stock ones to these ones. I'm gonna try that so that way underneath here this doesn't keep getting caught on railroad tracks and yanking on the front of the vehicle and the engine. I'm gonna drop it down now and see if it looks a lot better than what it was. As far as them being stiff and being able to adjust them, it's a lot better. And it's better that it's actually just the bottom piece of the coilover that you can adjust instead of actually the whole coil sleeve. I like these coils and I want to see what they're like because I've seen a lot of reviews on them and people say good things, but I got this side all tightened up and everything. The front's good, and I'm gonna get this thing on the ground and then hopefully go drive it so that way I can get an idea of what it's gonna be like. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. say for less than 500 bucks, it's worth it. I mean, they're reliable. I mean, people use them to drift. I just use them for stance, use them for just ride height, pretty much. But there's a big selection of different types of coils that they got. The dampening settings, you have like 24 different types of dampening settings. I definitely recommend them for you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.